What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today with another recipe. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make the Jamaican salt mackerel rundown. Alright, so stay tuned while I go through the process and show you how to make Jamaican salt mackerel rundown. Alright, welcome back. So as you can see, we have our salt mackerel here that we buy from the supermarket. I already boiled it about 2 to 3 times to get out some of the brine, the salt from out of it. Alright, I'm going to clean it up, remove some of the bone, and then I'm going to set it up nicely to cook. Here we have like a cup of coconut milk that I blend already that we're going to use. We have some bell pepper here, some green. We have some red, we have some scotch bonnet, we have some white onion, and also we have some tomato, we have some fresh thyme, we have some basil, and we have some black pepper. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start saute some of my season here, and then we go through the rest of the process. So over here we have our pot heated. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of cooking oil, about 3 teaspoons of cooking oil soy. Alright, we're going to put in half of our ground season that we cut up. Yeah, so we're going to put in half of the onion, half of the green bell pepper. Alright, take some of the red one and some of the thyme. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and saute this. And saute this nicely. Alright, and rundown is a little bit, what do you call it, curly. So when you make it, you go look away, but that's how rundown is. Alright? Alright, so after we saute our seasoning, look at it, we're going to add a little bit of black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright? I'm going to add a little bit of basil. Good. Then we saute it. So we're going to add in our half cup of coconut milk. You can use the coconut cream, but in the countryside we use the coconut milk. We blend it or we grate it. Alright, so we're going to allow that to cook down for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, this is how your rundown supposed to look. Alright, so we have our fish here, nicely picked and ready. As you see, I put it in some big size because I like to put in my salt mackerel big, so it take it harder to break up. I remember that you cook this salt mackerel to get rid of some of the brine, so you don't want it to break up. I'm gonna add about a quarter teaspoon of all-purpose to it just to flavor it, give it a little nice flavor. Alright, yeah, cause you know we don't season the vegetable or the rest of the seasoning. Alright, look at it. Now it look like the Jamaican salt mackerel rundown how you want it to be. Alright, so we have the rest of the seasoning over here. We're going to add it to the pot. I also add some green onion to it. The reason why I did add the green onion from first is because green onion easily cook. In a second it cook, I'm telling you. Alright, remove all of them, add them to the pot. Good. So We're gonna allow that to come to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then your salmon will run down. Ready? How nice it look, man. Right, so allow that to come down to a boil about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Mostly. Then the salmon will run down ready. Alright? So after 2 to 3 minutes, you can see the rundown is ready. Alright? I'm serving this with some ground provision food. Alright? So this is some banana cornmeal dumpling and some yam. Alright, look at how beautiful it is. Whoa. Alright. Alright guys, there you have it. Our Jamaican salt mackerel rundown served with some nice green banana dumpling and yam. Hope you guys like this recipe. Hope you guys continue to subscribe to Fitzroy on YouTube because we have a lot more video to come out. Alright? So Jamaican salt mackerel rundown. I'm out. Enjoy the day. Thank you.